Hello, I'm Peter Lemon and this is the Vista activation tutorial. Basically I'm going to show you how to use a little tiny program to get Vista activated if you've got a dodgy copy or something like that. So if you open the program up that I have given you, this computer, this virtual PC I'm doing on really slow, so and you can do activate XP, but that'll be in a later video, and Microsoft Office, but I want to work with Vista. So the best thing to do is use the developer activation, so you get a Vista security warning, allow, and then when it comes up you'll get like a little setup box and you'll be able to go from there and choose your version of Vista. As you can see in the background, the version I've got on here is basic and it hasn't been activated yet, so that's why I'm doing it like this. So you drop down box, business, ultimate, home, premium. This is home basic, so click that, and I've already done this on here earlier. I had about 4 tries of this video because this virtual PC is so slow, so I've already done it. So I've just click cancel, and what you should get after a little wait is a script box. I know I've got 2 up here, but you should only get 1. It just says that the product key's been installed, so you click OK and then you get another box that comes up and it basically says it's updating your computer. This is completely virus free, so don't worry about anything. So it's just updating your system and things. When it's done that, the finish button will become available to press, so you press finish and it will prompt you to restart your computer. Because this is such a slow virtual PC, I've had to speed it up a bit, so I'll try my best not to put in cuts and things like that, so you don't think it's fake, dodgy or anything like that. So there we go, I'm speeding it up. Right, the next thing we need to do when it's rebooted is hide an update, and this update is, we need to hide this. If you don't hide it, Microsoft will know you've done something wrong and you won't be able to use things like aero and visual features and stuff like that, and you won't be able to update your computer. Basically just silly little things, but it means a lot. I've already actually removed the update off this computer, but I've got the code for you that you can write down, and I will put it in a video description as well just in case, and it will be in with the RAR file that you can download. So what you do when your computer has rebooted, you go into Start and All Programs, and then you can click on Windows Update. But first I'm going to show you that this computer has been activated. So there's the update that you need to hide. It's KB940510. So as I said, really slow virtual PC, so I'll just give it a little bit of time. Found new hardware, no thank you. Alright, okay. So start, and when you look at the system, so right click on computer and go down to properties, and when the system pops up, it takes a little bit of a time to like load up again, but after it does load up, it tells you that it's completely genuine, completely activated under an OEM business activation. Okay, I think. So when it loads up, it will say genuine. As I said, it takes a little bit of time for me anyway. Obviously my computer is a lot faster than this, but with it being virtual PC, it's so slow. And Vista on a virtual PC is not a very good thing, so if you use virtual PCs and you haven't tried Vista yet, I really don't recommend it. Just a really big no-no. Right, so there we go, it's loading up now. It says status unavailable, but after a little while it just started collecting all the settings and stuff like that. It will come up and it will say genuine Windows is activated. There we go. See, genuine, and it says Windows is activated. It's got the product key there, OEM key. Don't click on change product key, just leave everything as it is. It should be sorted. What you may have to do, it may prompt you in a couple of months or a bit longer to do this again, so don't delete these files because you will need them again. I'm not sure if it's really needed, but you might need them. I did anyway. So anyway, go on to start all programs, Windows Update, and when this virtual PC finally catches up, what we're going to click on is view available updates, and that'll show all the updates that are available at the moment. So if you haven't updated your PC yet, you're okay. If you have, there might be a few problems. So this is for people who have just installed a dodgy copy of Vista, which is quite easy to get nowadays. So here it is, loading up. Very slow, very slow. The slowness has nothing to do with the activator, just to point that out, just in case you're thinking I don't want my computer to be that slow. It is the virtual PC. I was looking at the settings and it said that I've got a AMD Athlon X2 62-bit, and it's quite powerful. I'm using a laptop, and for some reason on this system, on the system, it says that it's only getting 6 megahertz or 7 megahertz, which is unbelievably small, and like, it can't be right, but it looks like it by the slowness of the computer. Obviously I could have cut all this out, but what I wanted to keep in as much as possible, I have cut a lot out. I wanted to keep in as much as possible so you didn't think it was fake, didn't think it was dodgy, because there were a lot of dodgy activators out there, and they really do mess up your computer, just to point that out. Another pointer as well, as I said, when you're going up there, think to activator, using the activator, try to use the developer activator, because Vista Loader isn't that good. I didn't like it. It basically edits things in your BIOS, and it's a bit strange, and the other activator doesn't always work properly, so a developer activator is the best way to go. So anyway, when we have the updates loaded up, we're going to click on view available updates to get that sorted, and I'll just click that off. View available updates. Loading again, really slow. Right, here we go. So as I said, I've already done this, so I don't have to look for the file. So just remember the file. I'm going to put it in the description so you can copy and paste and whatnot. I'm just going to put that down for me, just in case I haven't, because I'm going to have a little search for it. But to be honest, I know it's not there, because I think I've already done it. But I'm going to show you how to hide and update in case you haven't done it or don't know how to do it. So basically, when you're trying to hide an update, all you need to do is right click on it and go hide update, and then it gets grayed out completely, and when it gets grayed out you won't be able to use it. That's about it really. So right click, hide update, then you get a Vista security alert. Just allow, continue. Continue. And there we go, it's grayed out. You can't click on it at all, but that's not the update. That's just a random update. I just decided to click because I've already done this. So make sure you do that. It's like a must. It is a must, because you lose all the good features in Vista, and you won't be able to update your PC. So if you get rid of that update, you're going to be fine. Everything will run smoothly. It'll just be like having a completely real version of Vista. Obviously you don't. Okay, so basically that's about it. Thank you for watching. I am Peter the Lemon. Have fun.